In this video, we listed the 5 best MIG welders on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HZXVOGEN 3-in-1 Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN HVM200 is a versatile 3-in-1 MIG welding machine that supports flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding. It features a single-knob intelligent control system for easy use, with automatic voltage and current control for a smooth arc. The portable design and lightweight make it easy to transport, and it comes with a range of accessories. With reliable performance, a 1-year warranty, and the option for replacement within 60 days, the HZXVOGEN HVM200 is a reliable choice for welding enthusiasts. Number 2. ANDELI Welding Machine. The ANDELI MCT-416 is a multiprocess welding machine designed for welding and cutting applications. It features a clear LED display for parameter control and intuitive adjustment, and is suitable for welding thin steel, iron, stainless steel, low-carbon steel, and mold repair. The machine utilizes IGBT inverters for real output current and increased duty cycle, allowing for efficient and reliable performance. The Synergic Control MIG function enables automatic adjustment of voltage and wire feeding speed, while CE certification ensures safety and reliability. The product comes with a 2-year warranty, efficient customer service, and the option for returns and exchanges within 30 days of purchase. Number 3. HITBOX 3-in-1 MIG Welding Machine. The HITBOX M200 is a MIG welding machine designed for various welding applications, showcasing a robust construction with an emphasis on reliability, as indicated by its CE certification. This device operates with a wire feeding speed specified in the accompanying documentation and features a standard EU plug for convenience in European electrical systems. Weighing 7 kilograms, it is relatively portable, making it suitable for both professional and DIY use. The product is manufactured in mainland China and does not have smart device capabilities, aligning it with straightforward, traditional welding operations. Number 4. HITBOX HMB 1200 Machine. The HITBOX HBM 1200 is a versatile 3-in-1 MIG welder with functions for MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding. It offers excellent welding characteristics with adjustable power settings and wire feed speed, suitable for welding metal plates ranging from 0.8 to 4.0 mm. The welder is equipped with safety features such as overheat protection and VRD function, and comes with a 0.6, 0.8 mm threaded drive roller for welding wire. It has a 1-year warranty and is recommended for various welding applications including gasless iron welding, stainless steel welding, and more. With a full digital control system, precise control and stable arc length during welding are achieved, leading to enhanced welding efficiency and energy saving. The welder is capable of MIG welding 0.5-6 mm iron and mild steel plate, lift TIG welding 1 mm stainless steel plate, and ARC welding 2.5 mm acid electrode. Number 5. ANDELI MIG-250 MIG Machine. The specified item originates from mainland China under the brand name ANDELI. It is certified with CE, indicating compliance with European safety and health standards. Further details about the product are available in a report, which likely contains comprehensive information regarding its features, applications, and specifications.